No mayonnaise, no bitch. Oh yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new, my name is Chelly.
I'm Angel. Today we're gonna be eating the hottest wings on earth. Alright, we're gonna be doing this challenge, and there's a little thing to it. We're eating the blazing wings. Okay, but there's a little thing to it.
We're putting extra.
We also have be doing some extra stuff. You ready?
No. You're putting extra, I'm not.
We're both gonna be doing extra, so you guys comment down below and see who you guys think is gonna be eating the most. So we got 4 and 4 wings right now because I mean we don't know if they're super spicy or not. We want to get a lot and then not eat them up all. So whoever you think is gonna be able to do more wings, you guys comment down below. Even though you guys already know I'm going to. 'Cause I like spicy stuff.
I don't think this spicy though.
But I know you like chile. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and head home, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. Now, and we have the wings ready. They look pretty good, but also very spicy. You ready?
No.
No? Alright, so we're not going to be using plates. We're just going to divide them. And wait, I have an idea.
No.
Alright, so the loser is going to take a mini shot of this.
I don't feel good. You want me to do a shot of that?
You up for the challenge or not?
No.
No?
No, not that.
It's a mini shot. It'll be a little bit. It'll be a very little bit. Oh,
you want me to die?
Alright, so you already said you're losing.
No, but
okay, then there you go.
I'm not gonna lose. I'm not gonna lose. No, I'm not.
So you gotta be confident. Alright, so we have ranch, but we're not gonna be using ranch.
Why not?
That's not take flavor away.
No, but it'll take.
No, we can't be cheating. Alright, so
we do have water though. We're allowed to drink water.
No, we're not. It's all who eats the most. We're doing it. No drink, no.
Who finishes all 4 first, not who eats the most.
Well, alright.
Okay, so
Alright,
we're
so. Echamos poquito más.
Yeah, you can mix it on yours and I'll mix it on mine.
Alright. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and hold on.
I want the pretty plate.
So we're gonna go and add a little bit more to them. You think?
Okay, so Mr. Smart here already licked his finger.
We're doing the thumbnail. We're trying to take the picture and stuff.
And you're already spiced up, and that was just a lick.
But guess what? Alright, also I had to switch my hat, you know, because I wasn't feeling the other one. This one had more of a feeling. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put more. These crabs are already spicy. We're gonna be putting a little bit more of the sauce. Oh god.
Alright, put some on mine. Don't put a lot either.
Okay.
Like, just like.
Was he gonna put like a few drops around?
I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna win. I don't feel good. I'm feeling sick, and you want me to do this?
And then there's, oh yeah, she is a bit sick. She is getting sick. Well, barely today. But guess what? She was up for it when we planned this. So the only thing that what is it called? How do you say castigo?
Punishment.
Yeah, the punishment it just got today. So, hold on. I'm ready.
Baby.
So what, should we just rub it around?
I'm not gonna touch with my fingers. Oh yeah. Oh my god, I'm not ready for this.
You didn't give me one. I thought you said it.
Oh.
Alright. Remember, like, you already know I'm going to win, so, you know, just comment down below, like, my name already, Angel, because I mean, I'm winning.
Team Angel, Team
Versus-
Chelly. Even though I know I'm not gonna win, but the support is still,
We're gonna do
how you
something.
say it? It's still appreciated.
There you go.
Yeah.
Alright, so what we're going to do,
Should we do a timer? So we won't sit here forever, just like,
alright.
whoever eats the most in 5 minutes?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Okay, we're going to do 5 minutes. And
We're gonna put the timer somewhere on the screen. Right?
yeah, by 5 minutes, we're like, we gotta stop no matter what. Okay, so ready?
No. Oh my god.
But you gotta take your hat off for this. Disrespect. Team Angel, we got this. Oh, my hair's all messed up, by the way. Oh my. What are you doing, Prime?
No, I'm just like preparing myself.
1, 2,
No, Angel, no!
3, go!
Oh my god! Oh my god, I can't breathe! What the heck? Oh no! Oh my god! I'm already crying!
No, my raise no bitch.
Oh my god.
Bro. This guy. Oh, guys. Bro.
I can't take another bite.
No.
There's no way. My stomach is like burning. He ate 2. I only took a bite of one. I couldn't do it.
This ain't no joke. Fuck yeah.
This is worse than the noodles. So much worse than the noodles.
Ghost pepper?
Oh my god!
Let me tell you, last time I ate a ghost pepper, my stomach.
My lips are burning.
The day after, my stomach was burning. I was using every bathroom that I could. I'm sorry, but we're gonna do it. It's done today. It was amazing, guys.
I tried. I At least I tried. I only took one bite, but like as soon as I bit it and it went down my throat, I felt like I couldn't breathe.
I was tasting. I was trying to be a man. My mama ain't raised no bitch. Oh my eye, Chelly.
Why'd you touch your eyes with your fingers? Oh my god. Watch out, baby.
Fuck. You know, we're gonna have to close the video right there.
Do not try this at home.
It was a pleasure doing this. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give this a big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up, baby.
Comment down below. Team Angel. We got this.
He deserves it. You deserve it.
You know, I know we're gonna make her do the shot. Right now though. It's coming. Next video. Wait for it. Alright. If you guys enjoyed this video, like I said, give it a big thumbs up. And make sure you turn on your post notifications so we do more videos like this. You keep up with it. You know, you get the heck out of it. We gonna do too. These guys, it was awesome.